All right, WMC, this is the video to randomize our Hall of Fame group numbers for break number 11, which is our Hall of Fame baseball. So we're going to check the time, March 8th at 6:17 p.m. We're going to go over to the break and type live. And we have, come on, maybe. There we go. March 8th at 6:17 p.m. So each one of these numbers is one of the Hall of Fame baseball player groups. We're just going to randomize these numbers and then put them, match them back to our entry list. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 6. All right, 6 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is our listing here. So number 1 gets 1, number 2 got 7, number 3 got 2, and on and on. We'll get that posted. You guys can trade groups if you like, and then we will see you at 7 for the break.